Welcome back to Capital Luxury Channel. Today, we have an intriguing topic for all future billionaires out there. Have you ever wondered about the real cost of owning a jet? Well, it's time to get a handle on those expenses and be prepared when you enter the market for your very own private jet. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of private jet ownership. Here at Capital Luxury Channel, we provide you with exclusive insights into the lifestyles of the wealthy and influential. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on all the inspiration and information you need to elevate your lifestyle. Today, we're going to discuss the real expenses involved in owning a private jet, from its purchase price to ongoing maintenance and everything in between. Get ready for some eye-opening figures that might surprise you. Number 1. Private jets are not cheap. Owning a private jet is a luxury that comes with a hefty price tag. The cost of a brand new private jet can range from $38 to $90 million, depending on the model and specifications. However, if you opt for a pre-owned jet, you could find one for around $14 to $35 million. Keep in mind that, just like cars, jets lose value over time, so it's essential to consider both the initial investment and the potential resale value. When it comes to purchasing a private jet, the price varies significantly based on several factors. The model, manufacturer, age, and overall condition of the aircraft play crucial roles in determining its cost. Furthermore, customization options such as interior design and technology upgrades can also impact the final price. So if you dream of owning a private jet, it's important to conduct thorough research and consult with aviation experts who can guide you through the intricate process of selecting the right aircraft for your needs and budget. Number 2. A plane needs a storage facility for when it is not in the air. When your jet is not soaring through the skies, it needs a safe place to rest. Hangar rentals can be quite expensive, especially at busy airports. For example, a hangar at LAX in Los Angeles can cost around $160,000 per year. Smaller airfields offer more affordable options, with the prices averaging around $80,000 annually. However, these prices can vary depending on the location and the demand for hangar space in a particular area. Moreover, some owners prefer the convenience and exclusivity of building their private runway and hangar right on their property. This option allows them to have complete control over their aircraft's storage and access. Constructing a private hangar requires significant investment, not only in terms of finances but also in acquiring the necessary permits and complying with local regulations. Nonetheless, for individuals seeking the utmost privacy and convenience, having a private hangar can be a worthwhile endeavor. Number 3. Every time you land, you are charged a landing fee. Landing at airports is not free, and private jet owners need to pay landing fees based on the size and weight of their aircraft. Fees can range from $100 to $500 per landing. Additionally, when your jet is parked at an airport, you may also incur ramp fees, which vary depending on the location and duration of parking. These fees cover services like aircraft handling, parking, and support staff assistance. The actual cost of landing and ramp fees depends on the various factors, including the airport's size, infrastructure, and geographical location. Major international airports typically have higher landing fees compared to smaller regional airports. Moreover, landing fees can vary based on peak hours, as airports often implement surcharges during busy periods to manage congestion and prioritize commercial air traffic. It's important for private jet owners to factor in these fees when planning their flights and budget accordingly to avoid any surprises. Number 4. Fueling an aircraft is different to topping up your car. Fueling a private jet is an entirely different game compared to filling up your car at a gas station. The amount of fuel required depends on the jet's range and size. For example, a Gulfstream G650ER can consume around 7,000 gallons of fuel, costing approximately $22,000 per refill. The price of jet fuel varies, but on average, it ranges from $3 to $8 per gallon. Planes with smaller tanks may need to make refueling stops on longer flights. Number 5. You need someone to fly your private jet and run it. Flying a private jet requires a skilled crew, including pilots, flight attendants, and maintenance personnel. Hiring and retaining these professionals is a crucial aspect of jet ownership. Private jet pilots earn an average salary of $120,000 per year, while flight attendants typically make around $60,000 annually. It's essential to invest in a competent and reliable team to ensure safe and enjoyable flights. Number 6. Maintenance and insurance. Maintaining a private jet in top-notch condition is crucial for safety and performance. Regular maintenance checks, engine overhauls, and avionics upgrades are all part of the ongoing expenses of owning a jet. Depending on the model and the age of the aircraft, annual maintenance costs can range from $300,000 to over $1 million. These costs include inspections, repairs, and replacing parts as needed. Additionally, insurance coverage is essential to protect your investment. The cost of insurance can vary significantly based on factors such as the aircraft's value, intended use, pilot experience, and coverage limits. Insurance premiums can range from $50,000 to $500,000 per year, depending on these factors. Number 7. Upgrading technology and interior. Just like any luxury item, private jets offer the opportunity to customize and upgrade various features. Technology advancements, such as improved avionics system and connectivity options, can enhance the overall flying experience. Upgrading the cabin interior with high-end materials, comfortable seating, and luxurious amenities allows you to create a personalized and inviting space. Depending on your preferences and the extent of the upgrades, these enhancements can add several $100,000 to millions of dollars to the overall cost of owning a private jet. Number 8. Operating costs beyond the basics. While we've covered the major expenses associated with owning a private jet, there are additional operating costs to consider. These costs include regular cleaning and detailing of the aircraft, catering services for in-flight meals, and ground transportation arrangements. Moreover, if you frequently travel internationally, you'll need to account for customs and immigration fees, parking fees at foreign airports, and any necessary security measures. These costs can vary significantly based on your travel habits and destinations, but they are important factors to include in your budgeting. Number 9. Tax implications. When it comes to owning a private jet, tax implications are a significant consideration. Depending on your country and its tax laws, you may be subject to various taxes and fees related to the purchase, operation, and ownership of a private aircraft. Some countries impose value-added taxes, VAT, on the purchase of new aircraft or charge luxury taxes on high-value assets. Additionally, you may be responsible for annual property taxes or user fees. Consulting with a knowledgeable tax professional can help you understand and plan for these potential tax obligations. As we conclude our exploration of the real cost of owning a private jet, it's evident that luxury comes at a price. From the initial purchase to ongoing expenses such as storage, fuel, crew, maintenance, insurance, technology upgrades, and operating costs, owning a jet requires a substantial financial commitment. However, for those who can afford it, owning a private jet offers unparalleled convenience, privacy, and flexibility in travel. It's important to carefully consider all the costs involved and create a comprehensive budget before making such a significant investment. Remember, the figures provided in this segment are estimates and can vary depending on various factors such as location, jet model, individual preferences, and changing market conditions. If you're considering purchasing a private jet, it's advisable to consult with industry professionals, including aircraft brokers, financial advisors, tax experts, and legal counsel who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances. Thank you for joining us on Capital Luxury Channel, where we bring you the latest insights into the world of luxury living. Stay tuned for more exclusive content and lifestyle tips for the discerning elite. Until next time, keep dreaming big and living luxuriously.